Hi everyone! Kumusta kayo? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Nasa labas kami ni Baby Aiden para maglakad-lakad. Gusto niya pinapanood yung robot na naglilinis ng mga grass. Come baby, we go. Alas 6 na dito ng gabi. Come on Aiden! Ayaw niyang umalis doon. Kanina 5 minutes na ata kami nanonood dun sa robot. So ayan, medyo mahangin din. Pero okay naman yung sinag ng araw, mainit. Punta kami sa park, lakad-lakad lang kami ng aking boy dahil nainip siya sa bahay. Habang hinihintay namin ang tatay niya. Kaya alam na niya yung pupuntahan niya dahil halos araw-araw kami nagpupunta dito sa park. Who's that? Ayan, nag-hi siya sa kaibigan niyang Mo. Lagi namin ito dinadaanan dito. Hey then, should we go back? Because I feel like it's gonna rain now. Come on, let's go back. Dada is coming, come. No. We're almost home and it's raining now. Dada is already home. We saw his car pass by. Who's that? Ang saya-saya niya. Tingnan niyo naman, napakadilim nung ulap. Ayan na, iniwan na ako para pumunta sa tatay niya. Grabe ta. Ang bilis niya maglakad. Umuulan na, umuulan na. Is that fruit from my mom?
Yes.
Wow. So, ayan guys. Sakto lang kami nakaakyat. Tingnan niyo naman yung ulan. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo maayos. Sorry, madumi yung bintana namin. Pero napakalakas. Si Bebe, dumaan kina mama after niya sa work. Dahil si mama mayroong mga pinadalang pagkain para sa amin. Check natin kung ano. Kaya hindi na ako nagluto ng dinner namin kasi ang dami niyang pinadala. So, ayan. Mayroong fresh lumpia na ginawa niya. Hindi namin ito kakainin ngayon dahil napakaraming lutong ulam. Pero ayan, sobrang sarap ng lumpia ni mama. Sa next vlog, kakainin natin itong mga lumpia. Ito, yung paborito ko. Alam ni mama na super hilig ko sa isda. Napakarami, 3. Ayun o, piritong isda. So, iinitin ko na lang. So, baka hindi na ako magluto the whole week. I said like I'm not gonna cook anymore the whole week because there's so much food. Ito yung isa sa mga specialty ni mama ay ang menudo. And this is what we're gonna eat today with, ayan, nagluto na ako ng rice bago dumating si Bebe para kakain na lang. And then, ito yung pinaka-request ko talaga kay mama kung bakit siya nagpadala ng food ngayon. Itong bilo-bilo. Oh my God. Meron ako napanood na old video ko na kumakain ng bilo-bilo na galing din kay mama. I think Easter yun. April pa. Tapos bigla ako nag-crave. Nag-post ako, you like this too, right? Yeah. Gustong-gusto din to na Bebe. Sabi ko, oh my God, ma, I miss it. And then after, she sent me a message in WhatsApp and she was saying like, oh, I'm gonna cook for you next week. So, ayan, thanks a lot, ma. Nakakaiyak. Ang drama, no? Grabe talaga si mama. Like, I really love this so much. Kakainin namin yung isa ngayon. Look at that. It's so good. Meron din siyang pinadala sa aking adobong paa ng manok. And lastly, pinadala ni mama si Baby Aiden ng biscuit. Hindi ko na muna ipapakita kasi baka hindi siya kumain ng dinner niya. So, ayan. Thank you, ma. I love you so much. Yeah, it's for Aiden.
Oh, yes, you did say something about
Yeah. It's from Lola. So, guys, please follow nyo rin si mama sa Facebook page niya na Lani Miranda Art. Panoorin nyo rin yung mga video niya na cooking vlogs. And para makita nyo kung kanino ko namana yung pagluluto ko.
Wow. It too.
And there is Bebe also very hungry because he was from work. And also he was like in a traffic for an hour. So,
no.
oh God. Yummy? Say yummy boy.
It too.
Wow.
Such a polite little boy.
Ang sarap. And how was it? Kain, menudo. Ang sarap. Masabaw siya. Gusto ko dito yung sabaw. Sarap. Yummy?
I got a bowl.
I think this is beef. No? Yeah.
Why?
Because I want to eat the thing.
What thing?
This.
A little bit.
Yeah. That's really what I request for my mom.
So that's all you care about.
Yeah.
Done, Eden?
Finished. Good job. So good.
No, it's not that. I was tired from I couldn't sleep well.
Why you was worried last night that he had fever?
I woke up something 40 or something like that. So like, I need to wake up in like 30 minutes. I'm not gonna sleep again because it's just gonna be more horrible.
Bilo-bilo. Kompleto siya sa sahog. Now, Bebe trying the bilo-bilo. He loves this too. There's the sweet potato, banana, the glutinous rice, which is the violet one, and small sago. So good, right? It's cooked with coconut milk.
It's interesting.
That's why it's sweet, because of the coconut milk.
So good.
So, ayun lang guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa short vlog natin today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, click the notification bell, and leave us a comment. And yeah, see you in the next vlog. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.